Okay, calculation here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Woo! There we go. So maybe I'll just color this column here some blue. And we're going to take our raw count and our measured angular velocity, and we want to create a chart. Okay, so let's just go ahead and be very clear on what we're doing. We have we're verifying the equation here. Man, it looks just like the other one. Okay, so we have measured angular velocity, and this is the raw count correlation to the angular velocity verification. Cool, that's it. So we are going to do our equation of our line again. This is just our model. Again, these are measured points. So I'm going to add a trend line. It's not linear, it is logarithmic. I'm going to display the equation on the chart. I'll move this right over here. You see how this 6.3285 is in here? That's not the same thing that we had before. There's a reason why, and it's the same thing that I did last time, and that is I've included the 110, and that 110 doesn't need to be in there. So I was expecting this to change, to make that change. Did I include anything else? I wasn't supposed to. All right, so I'm just going to get rid of this and put the equation on. Why is that equation? Okay, well, we're just going to go with it. I don't know why this equation is different, but it is. And I would have to go back and look at that. So let's go ahead and put some error bars on here. Do we want to? No, let's skip the error bars for this one. Let's select on this chart. And then let's go ahead and include the other portion of the data. So we're going to include 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, and 110. And we're going to include the predictions, which are, that's the solid blue column, or column D. And now you'll see that we have all of these points. Let me just close this. And let me make this a bit smaller, like so. Open this up a little bit more. And we don't really need to go too much lower than 40. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lower this down to 40. So I'm just changing my numbers, the span of numbers. But now, why don't I see yellow on these? So I don't see yet orange on these points, on these, it seems like some points are just missing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place some error bars on the orange points, and I wanna make them orange. So let's go here and let's see. Custom specific value. And we are going to start with the first standard deviation. So let me start here. Let's see if that's going to work. And if it doesn't work, we'll put the second one in. Or even if it is not, what am I saying? I shouldn't even say that. So I'm going to go ahead and make these orange as well. And this horizontal, what kind of malarkey is that? I don't want horizontal. GM. Why is it horizontal? Delete that. And I want these to be vertical. So error bars, more error options. So, whoa, okay. It's showing me that I did the right one. Oh,